Hey Tigers, PE in the classroom today is going to be kind of tight, but I want you to find some space. All you need is 2 pieces of paper. 1 piece of paper you need to crumble up in a nice ball, not too small, maybe medium size here, and the other piece of paper on the floor. And what you're going to do is you're going to use your key elements that you saw in the video before. Feet together, step with the opposite foot, arm back, and bend your back and roll, okay? So here's how it is. 1 piece of paper is flat on the floor, and 1 piece of paper is in your hand. You're going to pick a spot in the room, and that's going to be your spot for the entire game, okay? So my spot here is the black line, right here, the black line, and I'm going to get 4 steps away. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps away, and my job is to roll the ball and land on the piece of paper. If the ball rolls and lands on the piece of paper, I get to take the paper and flip it further away from me. Just 1 flip. You grab the corners and flip it. Let me show you. So if I get it to land on the paper, I'm going to take it and flip it over. Now it's farther away from me. Let's check it out. Let's see if I can get one to land. Feet together, step. Oh, I missed, so I have to come back and get it. Oh, I missed. I have to come back and get it again. Let's see if I can get it to land. Oh, almost. If it lands on the piece of paper, I get to move the paper and flip it over 1. And now go back. Now it's further away from me. And I try to land it on it. Oh, almost had it. And this game isn't easy. I want to see who can get their piece of paper the farthest away in class. And I want you to compete against your classmates. Now, spread out. You might have to move 1 or 2 desks. Ask the teacher. Make sure you don't break anything. And have fun. There is 3 or 4 other videos on here that I want you to check out. Have a good day with PE in class.